So in the last video, we're on the menu page. So now quickly from the appearance, this is your dashboard. Once you log in, appearance, we've talked about themes. We have not talked about customizing widget. Let's go to widget before we come to customization. You click on widget, it brings you to this page. Now, anything you do here, it will reflect on the front page by the side, widgets. So you want to throw adverts, you want to sell a course, you want to add a short video or a podcast or an audio, you can do all in this widget area here. You can bring text, HTML, you can bring them on this side here. That's what happens here. Whatever you do here, audio, you want to bring in audio, this is what you do. So now, if you read the documentation, they will teach you everything step by step. Your footer page, in your front page, your footer, whatever you do, you want to change here. This is where you change the footer here. Footer 1, footer 2, footer 3, footer 4. So it's drag and drop. If anything you drag down here, inactive widget, it can still come back. But anything you want to clear, you click on clear, it will clear. Recent post, if I remove anything here and I check the front page. So now this is it. On this our site, there's something I want to show you here. We have the sports, we have the home, we have the feature, we have the GoPro. Okay, so we have these pages here. This is the widget page. You want to insert this search box. If you come to the front page, you see the search box here. That's a search box here. Recent post, that was the one I just moved. You want 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. You do that. That's for the blog page. The main page, image, theme, latest theme, front page. Let's go to front page. If you click on front page, all these things you see here, if you come to the front page, this is what you see. Social, latest post, search, come back, front page. That's it. These are the things, the image, the details, the front page side, image, social, latest post, categories, everything. This is it. The ad at the top. That's this ad at the top. So you want to make a banner of your products, you can put it here. So just go through the documentations. It's explained little by little. It's not a one-day job, it's a continuously using it. It's almost like a full-time job when using this WordPress stuff here. So this is widget now. After widget, this widget, let's come to customization. Click on customization and let's do some cleanup. Let's do some editing. This is where we do the real editing since we have imported another person's details. So click on import. The browser is a little bit slow here. Good. As you're editing, it's reflecting here. So before now, you need to know the size of this your logo that will fit into this particular one, which is also in the documentation here. It's also in your documentation, the logo size, the detail. Just come and read or watch this video here how to set up the public opinion. You read, look at it, anything you want to know. Image sizes, this is it, like that. So you come here, whatever you check here will show up here. See, for example, head style, I want it full width. Let's watch. Come back here, that's the hairstyle. You want it full width. If you remove the full width, what happens? You click, you come back, top menu bar. You can increase the height of the top menu bar in case you want to add more than one logo. In case you want to add more than one, you want to have more space, good, so that you can put more than one advert there. Let's assume you're like, if you go to Linda Ikeji's blog, you will see she has more than 1 or 2 banners here. So this is where you can control that here. If you don't want that to reduce it and you see everything closing back like that here, you see that's closed back. Then the text size, you want it bigger and bolder than this. This way you correct it. The text HTML like that. This is what you correct. You don't want to show these social listing icons. You undo it to go out. Boom. Show search. You don't want to show that you see it has gone. Search. You want to remove that. You click, it will remove. You're already building your site. It's you just need to take your time and watch that video, read the documentation and follow step by step. You step back. I've not published already. Primary menu. I want to center all these things. I want to bring them to the center. I click on here, center my primary menu. Make it equal. I want to center my equal with menu edit items. I click on that. I want to make a change. I click back again. Site identity. pigs.com.ng. That's what we're showing at the head. Pig serious business. That's what it's showing here. Look at it here. Show site title. I want it to show site title. Look at it. pigs.com.ng. It's showing my site title already. Site tagline. This one I can remove it. I want to add my site icon. Whatever this is at the top here is WP. This for WordPress. I need to change this. This will be the size of the image I'm bringing here. Click on it, add it, it will show here. I step back, blog settings. You can just give it a shot. Show sidebar. Okay, this is the sidebar here already. I don't want to show sidebar of the blog settings. It will remove the sidebar. I want only 55 words to show. I want it to be pagination. I want it to show previous. I click here. It will make all those changes. I come colors. You can any color you want. The color of your header, I want to change it. I want to make it this. Any color. The primary color, I want to change it. The menu, I want to change. I step back like that. Go different kind of colors. You give it a touch. This is the sidebar, the color, the link, everything. You can use your brand. You can use your brand colors to now give your website a good front page. The footer, the colors you want on the footer, they appear here also. So you step back and finish with colors. Typography, your content, the header, what's the size that you want. The second subheading, all these things are important and they are good for SEO. Also, widgets, all those widget pages, the title, the font title, those are touch it, delete, add. As long as you don't change any technical thing, these are cool. The social pages, now pay attention here. In these social pages, if you go to your Facebook page, let me type into my Facebook, Facebook, your Facebook page, go directly to your Facebook page. I click on my Facebook, the Hapazo. Need to create a Facebook page for. Click on the Hapazo. I click one of my pages. I click on Facebook page here, and I click on any one of them. I can click and choose any one. Okay, I click on Hapazo here. I copy this URL here. I copy it. I come back here, customize. I click here. I add it here. You can do it for every other site. You can do it for every other site. If I click, you can go around and all those things together. I click on publish. It will publish. If I click on publish and I come to the front page and I refresh, all those changes we made, look at them. The colors have changed. Pigs.com, everything is showing up. So bit by bit, look at it. The Facebook page. Once you click on F, look at. If you look down here to your left, you will see. You click, it goes to Hapazo. You see, My Facebook page is linked already.